Hey, yo. It's your boy Peanskean in the studio. I just dropped the album, Cerebro The Beats 3. Got 11 nice tracks on it. Got all kind of feel, hip hop, cinematic, video game, R&B, all that shit. And I'm about to show you, we're gonna do all tracks the making of, but today we're doing the Joker Theory. The first one is very dark and cinematic and cynical and eerie and just, feel it. We're gonna do the making of that. Okay, let's get all our TV going. Hey everybody, what's up? Wait, somebody going. We're gonna do it making the beats. Joker Theory, #1 off the album. Let me see how you do that shit. Okay. Trying to get the lighting right. Yo, what's up? Shit. Boy, Peanskean in the studio. I'm about to do the making of the Joker Theory. That's the first track on Cerebro 3. Yeah, check it out. Some way, somehow, find that shit. But we about to get into this shit right now. Either coming or not. What's up, y'all? I'm doing the making of some beats. I don't know who on there. It could be 1 or 2 people. I don't give a damn. Let's do it. It's the off my Cerebro 3, the Beats album, the instrumental album. Remember, every producer should drop an instrumental album. No matter what. Every producer should drop an instrumental album. Every producer in the world, hey Al, every producer in the world need to drop an instrumental album. But it's gonna be the making, we're gonna go in order. Today's just Joker Theory though. I'm live on Facebook, I'm live on IG, ain't never been live on shit, and I'm recording in the back. Let's see how I'm gonna do that. Turn this bitch up. Now the Joker Theory, it sounds like okay. You know me, FL Gang, that's what I've always been using since day one. Ask China Boy. I'm gonna start with my first instrument. I only got 3 instruments, just 3 sounds, and it sound all eerie and shit. Okay. I can turn off the plugins. I got all this shit on there. Let's see how we did that. Joker Theory. We're just gonna play the strings first. I call it drama strings. And you're just I put on the EQ, wrestling. Oh, damn. It's something. Plug in, man. That shit sound real. Ooh. You know how to do it. You know? Damn, that make it sound good though. Man, I know how that sound with the screen. Got a compressor, an EQ, 2 EQs, some distortion. Okay, what's this next instrument? Pass. It's almost like a string, but and there's only 3 instruments on this shit. You know? That shit sound crazy. EQ on there, compressor, some saturation, not that much on there though, I got a little bit. Then I got another E. Damn, I EQ'd that like that? EQ a motherfucker. Remember, producers drop instrumental album. Only person who I know did that. Sneaky Beats. She only one. Well, you know, others y'all gotta do, y'all know who y'all is. I think everybody should, like even the major producers in the game should drop a fucking instrumental album. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's how that shit sound. All together. Number 1 on Cerebro 3. Cerebro The Beats 3. Go listen to that shit everywhere. Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, your mama house, your mama mouth. No, just playing. Go listen to that shit. It's cinematic. We need to get it placed on some shit. My sister said it sound like Lifetime. Now we're gonna put it on Lifetime. Sound like somebody, a bitch about to go kill somebody type shit. Just it sound eerie, sound fucking evil, don't it? Yeah, boy. And that's it. The Joker Theory. Number 1 on Cerebro The Beats 3. Check it out. I'm gonna leave it in the comments. Check it out. Y'all should know it. Check it out. That shit was nice. One It's definitely not. What got me doing? That's the end of that. I need to go out and make it. I need to make a beat, you know? You don't know? You know? And that's making up the Joker Theory. And that villain type shit. But we're gone. Thanks for watching. Hey. Yeah, boy.